morning, friends. I'm so excited. My parents and most importantly my dog are visiting me in LA this weekend. I'm so happy that they're coming. My parents haven't visited since they helped me move in March, so it's been quite a while, and my dog has never been in LA before with me, so I'm so excited to show her around, show her the apartment, get her acquainted. If you watched my LA move-in vlog, you know that I'm a very family-oriented person. I was a mess when I had to say bye to my parents, and I actually got a lot of DMs after that vlog saying that people were crying too watching it because it was such like a visceral feeling of leaving your family behind for the first time and stepping into a new chapter of life, which honestly I really appreciated. I was glad that my video was able to resonate. It's pretty crazy to me that it was just a few months ago that I was saying bye to my parents and so unprepared emotionally to move into this next stage in life. So it is kind of cool to be able to look back and see how much I've grown as an individual since they last dropped me off here. Shani,
Shani. Worked pretty late today, huh?
Yeah. Shani. Yay! I'm glad you're here.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Besties with my parents. Shani and Spicy. I am wrapping up the workday and I have a very exciting package. I do not know what it is about unboxings, but they're so fun to watch. I think partially because it feels like I'm getting a gift with someone without spending any money. Are y'all ready to see what we got? This is my new iPhone 14 Pro. I'm filming on my phone, so I can't show you, but I've had the iPhone 10 for, I don't know, since it came out. And it's getting to a point where it can no longer do basic functions a lot of the time. Like when I get calls, the whole screen freezes. Like there are lots of little things that have been coming up that are tough, not only for my day job, but also for content creation, where she's just tired. She wants to be put to rest, and I feel that. So we have her successor. Wow, guys, the quality of my TikToks and my videos is gonna be so much better with this camera. I do have a case already that I'm excited to show you all. I have these two cases that I got from Casetify for the Blackpink collection. And I'm gonna start with this one. Ooh. Okay. At the Lonely Oyster.
Congratulations, Joelle.
Oh, thanks, Mom. Thank you. Thanks for visiting. I'm so glad you're here. Shani, do you need to go to the bathroom?
Yeah, I don't have her leash on.
I'm so not used to seeing her just like in a hotel like this. Shani in the lounge. Looking for a good pee spot. It's like, what is this place? I don't like it here.
So we could rush the pipeline. It looks bad, I know. He made no secret of being a friend to the oil babies. But he wasn't in anyone's pocket. You have to believe that. He was for energy independence, as is the president.
Persimmons are my favorite fruit, and my parents brought this beautiful fruit ball for us because I was sad that I wasn't going to get any of our homegrown fruit this fall. I am phoneless because I was trying to set up my new phone and I had too much data. It wasn't working, so I'm trying to back up to iCloud. In the meantime, my parents are gonna have a nice little day out. I figured I'd take them to get some tacos because my mom loves Mexican food, so I looked up a good taco truck on the east side in Echo Park, and I thought we could get tacos, walk around Echo Park with Shani, have a nice little day out. Also, little fit check, I just got a box of streetwear from my auntie, who's not by blood related to me, but are really, really good family friends in Korea. So thanks, Aunt Michelle. She sent me a bunch of these super cute matching sets, very Blackpink Jenny, very K-pop star, a lot of like knitted tank tops and little sweaters, which is perfect because I was just thinking it's getting colder in LA. I want to have some sweaters I can wear to work that are cute and trendy but not too expensive. So I'm so thankful for all of these little sets that I can wear, and I'm gonna wear this one today. That's so funny. I wonder what they're doing this for. Wow, they're doing the whole dance. Here it is. Yeah, there's no line today. Yay! Dad, why don't you guys go in? Because I can't take Shani. Thank you. Dad's gonna try a mochi from fugetsu-do. I might try a strawberry.
Okay.
Oh, it has like the whole beans in it. This is so pretty. Yeah, you took one bite and it was the entire mochi. Not a family vacation to LA without some Korean barbecue, right?
Yes, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, never gone to this place.
Best BBQ in the world.
One of my coworkers said that this is his favorite place, so we're trying it, and I think it'll be good. Sorry. Thank you. Happy Sunday. It is my parents' last day with me here in LA. We're on a little walk with Shani, grabbing some coffee, and then we're gonna head to church. But it's been so nice having them here. It's been honestly just so restful. Very nice to have a weekend that feels like a vacation.